Hi, folks. It's Andy Stautz at Stautz Law. We are back today with another topic, this time probate again. And today's topic is how do you get unsupervised probate administration? So, to back up, probate is the orderly administration of a person's affairs after they've died. It comes in a couple different flavors. There's supervised administration, which is where you have to go to the probate court and ask permission before you do anything. May we sell the house, please? May we distribute this? May we pay this claim? Supervised is very, court guided, lots of time, more expensive, a total pain. Unsupervised, by contrast, is, you file the paperwork to get the probate estate open. The court says, okay, you're good to go. And then you're on your own until you basically say at the end, hey, court, we're done. The court says, good job. So unsupervised is better. I mean, if there's no conflict, we like to do it. So I like to be able to tell my clients, we're gonna try to do this unsupervised. So the question is, how do you get unsupervised probate? Can anyone do it? And the answer is no, not anybody. There's a specific process because in Indiana, supervised probate is the default. It's what you get unless you qualify for unsupervised as kind of an exception, right? You need to show the court, don't worry, we'll be able to handle this. So there's a specific law. It's in the Indiana Code, 29.17.52. And it says, conditions for unsupervised administration. And there are two ways you can do it. One, you can plan in advance. And this is something I do on the estate planning side. I always recommend that someone's will includes a clause that says, I authorize unsupervised administration. Because if you say that, then the court's going to go, okay, sure. They ask for it. So that's the easy way. If you forget to do that, or you don't have a will at all, you can still get unsupervised administration, but it's a little harder. You need the consent of everybody concerned, basically. So for me as a probate attorney, I prepare these little documents that go out. They're mailers, basically. And I have to send them to each person, each potential heir. And it says, my name is John Doe. I understand that we're trying to do an unsupervised administration here. I'm okay with that. Go ahead. And if everybody agrees, it's good. You're good to go. But if even one person says, no, I don't want to do that, guess what? Supervised administration for you. And so I try that often. When it works, great. It takes a little longer than having it pre-authorized in the will, but it's equally effective. But again, it only takes one person to say, nope, we can't do it. So that's kind of the two routes to get unsupervised administration. Planning ahead is great. Getting consents, works too. And if you call me to talk about a probate administration or estate planning, we will talk about, which version is right in your situation. This was just kind of a general explainer, not legal advice for you. So give me a call or book an appointment online if you want to talk more about it. But I hope you've enjoyed this one. Thanks and bye.